how to run our program in Visual Studio Code. So if you want to run our program in Visual Studio Code, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser and then search for R. And then you'll find www.r.project.org. Click on this option and then it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to go with download R right here. And then if you scroll down, then you will have an option of worldwide. You need to go with the bottom left and then click on the link right here. Once you click on the link, you will have download R for Linux or Mac OS or Windows. You need to click on Windows. After that, click on install R for the first time. And then here you will have this kind of interface. You need to go with download R 4.5.2 for Windows. In my case, it's right this. You need to click on it and then just click on the downloaded file. Go with download unverified file. Once you do that, you need to go with your file manager. From the file manager, you need to go with downloads and you will find the R right here. Once it's downloaded, you will find it. So make sure it is completely downloaded. Or you can also click here that you've just downloaded. Just click on it. Or you can go with your file manager and double click on this one. It's the same thing. Once you do that, you will get this kind of interface. You need to just simply click on yes and then choose English, set the language. Or you can also choose any other language that you're comfortable with. Just scroll down and then you need to go with next, which will be on the bottom, and then select the files where you would like to download. Like for example, I'll just simply go with volume E and go with OK. Go with next again right here. And then here you need to select user installation. Go with next and then just click on next and then again go with next and again click on next and it will start the installation process. So just wait for a few seconds and it will be installed. Now as you can see that it has been done, you need to go with finish right here. And now if you didn't install the Visual Studio Code, you need to just simply go with your favorite browser and then search for Visual Studio Code and then install it. Now what you need to do is after installing the Visual Studio Code, you need to just simply go with your location where you've saved your R program. So in my case, I've saved right here, or just simply open the folder and then here you will have bin. You need to open the bin folder and here we need to copy the file location and then go for the search option and search for environment variables and then click on it and you'll get this kind of interface, which is system properties, and go with the environment variables right here on the bottom. Here you need to click on the path right here and then go with edit. And from the edit, you need to go with the browse file and then select the R path and go with open and then go with OK. Now once done, you need to just simply go back and then search for Visual Studio Code and then open the Visual Studio Code. Once done, you need to go with file, which will be in the top left, and then just simply go with a new file or go with an open file and select your R file, go with open. Now I'm going to select the R folder. Just select that and then create a new file called admin.r. And now if I open it, but before that, we need to install the R extension. If you didn't install it, you just need simply install it by simply typing R language and then click on install and it will be installed. It's a very simple process. After that, we need to go for the code and you need to type a program. You need to type print bracket and inside the bracket, we need to type hello world and then we're going to run the source. And as you can see that it's now showing hello world over here. So this is how we can simply download and install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.